Greetings one and all, how's everyone doing? I hope well. Got a little MRE today. I packed this a few days ago, I don't remember which one it was. It was shredded beef and barbecue sauce, menu number 2. Let's crack that puppy open and... Alright, so here's what we have. We have shredded beef with barbecue sauce. We have black beans, chocolate chip cookie, cheese spread with jalapeno, score, tortillas, again, FRH, spoon, barbecue sauce, orange beverage base, and then the accessory packet was creamer, coffee, wind, salt, gum, Splenda, toilet paper, gold, and then moist towelette. So let's crank that FRH up and get that meal going. Okay, we got the FRH here. Yeah, that's a total waste of time. I'll have to trim out of the video because it didn't want to open. No, get these two going. My water for the beverage base, but I did, so let's go ahead and get that in the water. And spill the orange powder all over the place. Guess it's just one of those days. There we go. Put that cap on. Well, man, there's like a big clump of beverage base floating around in here. So when you take a drink, it's all weak ass because it hasn't mixed thoroughly, but I've been mixing it like crazy. I don't think any moisture got in there. Slightly better. Alright, so the FRH, it feels hot, but yeah, we're gonna boil some water because I want it hot. No lukewarm meals for this guy. Plus, I'm gonna make my hot chocolate or my mocha because I want to have eat the cookie and dip it into the stuff again because that was good. So there's really nothing else I can snack on until I have hot water. So alright, so I got the water on. There's like 3 cups of water in here because I'm gonna pour some water in here and also my hot chocolate. I'm not going to use the beverage bag or the cardboard. I'm not going to use the accessory pouch. I'll probably use the tortillas with the beans, maybe some of the beef too. As soon as the hot water is, I got the cheese stuffed in here too, so once the water goes in here, I'll enjoy my cup of mocha and the cookie while this heats up, and then I'll just set it on top of the tortillas and warm those up, and then I can eat lunch. I'll probably use the barbecue sauce this time too. So let's see if this is well, I guess I mixed it well enough. It's not, doesn't appear to be settling anymore. And look at the bubbles on that. If you can see that. That's crazy. Oh, the steam buildup. Sweet. Alright, let's dig into that cookie, because why not have dessert first? It's not going to spoil my appetite, because, you know, that one cookie is not going to fill me up. Although technically I don't need it, but... No. As I called it, dry. Big that's where you dip it. Kind of tastes like a Chips Ahoy, only dry. Oh yeah. You might be wondering why I never make the coffee. I always go with the mocha. And the simple reason is I just like the mocha better. Wow. I don't know if you can see that. Look at that boiling. Looks like it's boiling right there inside the bag. That's kind of interesting. It's like somehow the hot water is reacting with the chemicals. Man, dipping is the only way to go. Alrighty. You know, I gotta be honest. When I think barbecue beef, my first thought isn't tortillas. It would be cornbread. Now, why they didn't use cornbread is honestly a bit baffling. It's like dude, it's cornbread, man. Cornbread is where it's at. As I spill water all over the table. Just getting rid of the MRE water. Alright, I don't think I've ever had this meal before. And, excuse me. I'm always trying to grab meals I've never had. So I'm not just, and I don't want to be repeating myself with these meals. So, I may have mentioned that. I don't know if I mentioned it or not. Alright. So these are the beans. Here's the beef, which I will open lengthwise. Maybe I should get myself, I was thinking maybe I should get myself a little tray, but I don't have very many of these left. So, here's the beef. I hope you can see that okay. Give that a taste. Just like I thought it would. Barbecue beef. Really saucy though. I don't think I even need the barbecue sauce because there's a lot of sauce in there. It's like when you go to a barbecue place, when you order, you know, like a pulled pork sandwich, and it's just swimming in sauce. It's like, come on, man, give me some pork. Then you go to a good place, like we have a famous Dave's. There's a famous Dave's barbecue not far from me, and they, they give you pork on your sandwich. It's great. All right. Try the beans. They're just okay. I don't know if I'd be excited about getting the beans. I mean, they're not bad. They're just, they're just okay. I guess we can try. Barbecue beef sandwich. That's one thing that would be nice about having a tray, is I don't have to set the food down on the filthy table. There's like, some of these have bird crap all over them, so I know birds been jumping up and down on the table, probably looking for scraps. So do a little barbecue beef and beans sandwich. Again, I'll mention, whoever puts these together, dude, seriously, cornbread would be money on here. I actually yelled at a guy on a Facebook group I'm on because he posted a picture of, it was cornbread. It was a piece of bread with a piece of corn on the cob sitting on it. He was calling it cornbread. I know it was a joke, but I was like, dude, that's not cool. Some things you shouldn't be joked about. Tongue in cheek, of course. It doesn't taste bad. The tortilla ripped open though. No. Nope. That'll be it for today's video. Not a bad one. Not terrible. Ooh. The jalapeno cheese is kicking in. Nice. That is a really good cheese, I'll tell you what. I'm surprised someone hasn't put that in a can yet. Be good to dip some tortillas in, or not tortillas, tortilla chips. Well, as always, I thank you for watching. Look forward to your comments. Let me know what you think. Menu number 2, shredded beef. Needed cornbread. I'm going to stand by that. So catch you in the next one. I'm going to finish my lunch and head on home.